Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we're going to be looking at the top 10 free Roku channels. If you're trying to get away from expensive cable service, I would encourage you to check these out. If you're looking for cable alternatives that are cheaper than your existing cable service, make sure to check out my channel. I've made videos on all these live TV streaming services. Alright, let's get started. The first channel we're going to look at is Roku Channel. Yes, Roku has its own channel. Here on the top of the page, you'll see featured, new this month. They have some live TV options. They have TMZ, ABC News, USA Today, some movies, and weather. Right after that, they have kids' favorites. They have G.I. Joe, Pokemon, Ryan's World, Transformers, and so on. So they have some good kid content. Then you'll see dramas, action, adventure, TV, family night, comedies, documentaries, and so on. The next channel we're going to be looking at is Pluto TV. First thing you see when it loads is going to be the guide. And I'm just going to scroll down a little so you guys can see some of these channels. Under entertainment, they have some MTV channels, VH1, BET, Spike, TV Land, under the news tab, they have NBC News, CBS, and Weather Nation. They have a section for binge watch, and they have some more MTV content. Under comedy, they have some Comedy Central content there. And they have a sports section. On the left side of the screen, right under Live TV, you'll see free movies and TV shows. They have a James Bond section, most popular movies, top TV series, new movies this month, recently added series, recently added, last chance to watch, and Discovery Channel. Pluto TV offers a variety of channels, so make sure you download this channel and check them out. The next channel we're going to be looking at is Xumo. That says free movies and TV. First thing you see when this channel loads is the guide. We have NBC News, Fox Sports, CBS, US News. They also have a sports section. Right under guide, you will see movies. They have most popular movies, action, crime, suspense, documentary, some classics. Right under movies, you'll see channels, and you'll see most popular. As you can see, Xumo has a large variety of live TV, so download this channel and check them out. The next channel we're going to be looking at is Tubi, free movies and TV. Here on the main page, you'll see featured. They have The Bachelorette, Body of Lies. Right under that, they have most popular, family movies, comedy, black cinema, horror, weekly watch list, action, documentary, and so on. On the left side of the screen, we have a search option, home, categories, and channels. The next channel we're going to be looking at is Crackle, free movies and TV. Here on the main page, you'll see Watch Now. If we click to the right, scroll down, you'll see Spotlight Channel, Fandom Channel, Halloween Channel, Drama Channel, New this month on Crackle, Action Channel, Comedy Channel, Crackle Original Channels, so on. I recommend you to download this app and browse through the content. The next channel is Filmrise. And on the main screen, you'll see Feature TV, New TV Arrivals, Classic TV Shows, Trending TV, True Crime TV, Food and Cooking TV, and they break it down by popular channels. Right after that, you'll see Popular, Featured Movies, New Movie Arrivals, Trending Movies, Featured Comedy, and so on. The next app we're going to be looking at is Voodoo. Most of the content on Voodoo you do have to pay for, but they do have free ad-supported content. So all you have to do is watch an ad, and then after the ad, you will be able to watch the movie. So this is another option. The next channel we are going to look at is called News On, local news nationwide. You may want to check out News On. It will give you some local news channels. Here you'll see other nearby stations and recently added stations. Right next to home, you'll see all stations, and you'll see it'll give you an option for closest stations. Right under that, it'll give you all stations by state. The next channel is CBS News. CBS News will give you some CBS live coverage in different states. Also give you some CBSN originals, top stories. They have some shows here. Popular, 60 Minutes Overtime. They have some playlist, sports, and so on. The last application I wanted to throw in here is called iHeartRadio. Not only can you listen to live radio stations, but you can also listen to the most popular podcasts that are out right now. You will see the Joe Rogan Experience, The Daily, The Ben Shapiro Show, The Dave Ramsey Show, and so on. The last thing I wanted to show you, if you look right under home, you will see Featured Free. If you click on that, this is all the free content that you can watch. If you look in the top left-hand corner, you will see what app it belongs to. So this is Tubi, Roku, Dancing with the Stars is on ABC. This one's on Pluto. If you click on something and you do not have that app downloaded, this will automatically download that app for you. So, pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below, what are some of your favorite channels? If this video has helped you out, please hit that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.